Good afternoon, guys. I have 6 Easton FMJs. I have 3 of them that need refletching. A couple blazer veins popped off. This one actually has a nap quick fletch already on it and had a vein pop off. These 3 over here have regular blazer veins. So what I'm gonna do is take these 3 and swap them out with these quick fletch. These are Bohning Blazer True Fletch, and basically you just clean these up, take the veins off, and then slide these over your arrow shaft and dip them in boiling water for about 10 seconds, and they adhere. This quick fletch right here is actually the same exact thing. These are the quick spin, which I actually do like. It's just an easier way to refletch your arrows without having to glue individual veins and all that kind of stuff. So I've got the American Flag Edition Bohning Blazer Veins quick fletch just to go ahead and see if they work, see if they're a little bit tighter groups. I'm just gonna do these 3 arrows right here. So I want to walk you guys through the process of actually putting the quick fletch on, installing them, cleaning up your arrows, and then we'll go shoot and see how they do. Going to peel these old veins off. So just go ahead and scrape until the shaft is bare. I'll just use this knife to go ahead and peel off some of the glue and stuff. These quick fletch come off pretty easy if you ever want to change things up, so you got to deal with a little bit of glue. It's not bad though. Should be able to scrape off fairly easy. And they're almost ready, just a little more cleanup. After a little more cleanup, we'll be ready for the quick fletch. All right, arrows are all clean. We have these 3 FMJs. Got the old veins off. Go ahead and fill up the water in the pot, and we'll go on the stove. Alright, we have a package here. There's the 6 wraps. We're only going to use 3 today, so there's the side. Got the directions here, which says clean arrow shaft, fill pot with at least 6 inches of water, bring to a boil, slide tube onto arrow shaft, align end of tube with end of arrow shaft, and completely submerge and hold for 10 seconds. So then we'll slowly remove and then shake dry and allow it to air dry before we shoot it. Alright, slide on, get it to the exact measurement of one of your other arrows. Alright, so here we have the refletched arrow along with one of my other ones. So I'm going to do my best to line up the end on the knock side along with where the other blazer veins are at. So Could get precise and get out the measuring tape, but yeah, it needs to come back a little bit. We're not in competition archery here, so we're going to eyeball this. Then we'll get all the other 3 in line with 2 more of these, and then they'll be ready to dip. All right, we've got the 3 Easton FJMs with the new quick fletch on there. We've got it measured out and ready to dip, and this water is almost ready. All right, water's boiling, so we're going to slowly dip in. There's one. Set it off to the side to cool. Number 2. It says to slowly insert. It's going to help that wrap go ahead and form evenly and prevent bubbles. Make sure you get it all the way in there. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it's 10 seconds. We'll go to numero trace. All right, there we have it. Go ahead and turn the stove off. So we got 3 arrows have been fletched. We're gonna let those cool off and dry, and then we'll put the nocks in. All right, here we have new fletchings versus the old blazer vanes here. So we'll see how the old American flag Bohning Blazer True Fletch arrow wraps, see how they hold up. All right, 30 yards. Going to do the original blazer vanes. Okay, look at these. I'm gonna shoot just the American flag ones and see. I mean, so that first one, I think I pulled the one that hit low. That second one, no adjustment. So I think, honestly, that was just user error there. And those two, decent 30 yards, both in the circle. I'll go ahead and shoot a couple more groups. I'm just gonna focus on the new ones now. Make sure that my form's on point for all those, so we can get a better group. Might throw in the third one though. It's slightly different in weight, but shouldn't matter too much from 30. So we're gonna keep shooting. Hold that one. All right.
I think that those two that weigh the same group pretty well. May need to do a side adjustment if I decide to go with these wrapped ones, but all right, that answers it. Excluding the one to the right, that's a tight group. So as far as the new vanes go, the quick fletch, they seem to be holding up very well. I don't have any vanes flying off or anything like that, so that's always a plus. They seem to be well made. They seem to be adhering well. And I really only let them dry for 30, 45 minutes in front of a fan. So we got these. They seem to be flying pretty good. All right. Here we have the next group. Another pulled one. We got one in the white. So 30 yards, about 1.5 inches apart. Again, could definitely be user error. I haven't really shot much lately, so I could be pulling. All right, moved the target into 20. Hopefully take out a little less, or take out the user error. See if I can't get a little tighter group here. Give us a better feel for how these are actually shooting. All right, that was a much tighter group. So also about to find out if that other knot worked. So that was 20 yards. Let's see what we did here. That is a group there. All right. Those are stacked in there, so may need to do a few side adjustments. I got a different knock on here now, and all 3 of those lit up, so that's good. Minus the one dud, so that's the 20-yard group with the new Blazer quick fletch vanes.
My closing thoughts on these True Fletch by Blazer Bohning is that they're very good. They're on par with the Nat quick fletch that I already mentioned. I enjoyed those. Those shoot great groups. They're easy to do. These seem about exactly the same. So, same process, like you saw today, boiling the water, dipping them in nice and slow, making sure that you're not getting bubbles in your wraps. So, put just like a little bit of care into actually doing the process, and the results are great. So that last group that I shot was a good tight group. They're shooting just as good as my other, normal Blazer vanes that came pre-fletched. So I like the quick fletch option. It enables me, somebody who I've actually never even fletched my own arrows. I've never dabbled with setting it in the vise and gluing individual vanes on and then waiting and then letting it dry, and just all the effort and work that goes into it. I mean, I'm sure you can get great results, and that works well for a lot of people. I, however, enjoy the ease of being able to quickly fletch 6 to 12 arrows in my kitchen with a pot of boiling water. It works out, it saves time, and they fly just as good as the other Blazer vanes. So if you shoot Blazer vanes, or you like ease of fletching, I would give these a shot. It's they also got the cool American flag design here, so happy Independence Day everyone. 4th of July is right around the corner, so I would recommend these. I'm actually going to buy 12 more full metal jackets, 340 spine, about a 29-inch arrow, and I'm going to order a few more packs of these, and that's what I'm going to shoot this season. Unless I just have a really bad experience and these start breaking on me, I'll let you guys know. But as far as I can tell, they're going to do very well. So good initial impressions. Good job, Bohning. And I'll let you guys know how they do later on. Keep you updated throughout the season. Drop a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you would like to see any other videos around this process or any questions around this process. I've done it a few times. I'm by no means an expert, but I'll do my best to help you guys out. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you enjoy this tutorial and this review. And I'm going to have a lot more gear reviews and product reviews and hunt videos as well coming out this year and this season. So subscribe to the channel, Hunt Solo Public.